Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to be talking about Google stock, alright, Alphabet. I have entered this position, couple positions in the last week when we had this significant drop here from 166 to 149. I had entered some positions right around 152, 153. And let me explain why I have entered a position here, right? I believe we're repeating same pattern that we have repeated in the past. This is the pattern I'm going to show right now. So we had just hit right here on the left a all-time high and then this level of resistance right here, right? Once we hit all-time high, we know price is probably going to push down. We push down all the way on this 90 low here, $90 low, right? And then what happens is we start creating basically we have a low, we create a higher low, and then a new higher low over here. So we have this trend line here, a three touch trend line, right? And then we start to move back above the moving average onto new highs, coming back to the same area we were on the 150. And if we have a resistance here on the left and we look like we have another resistance here, we hold a support here, so I'll change the color to a support, and then it looks like we're holding up a support here. This could be a very good momentum to be entering a trade for Google, all right? The pattern I was talking about is this pattern here. So all-time highs, and then we play around a little bit over here until we move back up. I don't know if this is a real pattern or not, but it looks like it's repeating itself. So we have all-time highs. Looks like we're playing a little bit underneath here, which is this zone, until we move back up above the 200. All right. So let me delete this. So I don't really have 20 confirmations for me to take this trade. I'm just very simple the way I invest. It looks like to me that we have AI coming in for Google. Well, already have AI, but there's more things coming up for Google. We have the 52-week low, which is this is the 52-week low. 52-week low, and then we also have this is the 52-week high, which is 208. All right, so we're closer to the low than to the high, which is a good sign because I don't want to be entering a trade right on the 52-week high. I'd rather be entering closer to the low, right? So this is Google for now. I'm waiting to see what's going to happen next. This is basically my projection. If I'm entering this trade, if I'm holding up, I'll wait for the break of these highs, start breaking these highs throughout these levels, and then hoping and waiting for price to get back above the 200. And I do believe 200 is still cheap for Google. Okay, so let's wait. Let's see what happens if we end up breaking this 52-week low. I believe next target will probably be around 130. Next target would probably be around this area over here, the 130 range. And then after that, if we do come lower, it will be around here, the 120. All right, so 130, 120 for the lows. We have this here. I always do this. All right, 120, and then if we go higher, will be being very clear, 190 to 200s. All right, so trade carefully, make sure you have make a good decision. Make sure you have money set aside if this trade go the wrong direction, I mean down, and make sure you position yourself with very good risk management. All right, see you on the next one.